Sit comfortably, breathe deeply, and focus on your impermanence. Mostly people die without living. The hard truth is that if you don't act now, you may expire without flourishing. Existentialism psychology. Existentialism means that existence of a responsible person determining their own development through the act of will. This is called existentialism. We have our own existence. I am free and responsible agent, and I am determined my own development through the act of my will. It's a very deep thought, as individual is unique, responsible. So, existentialism tells us my existence matters. I do exist. I am free. I am responsible. I do not need you. You do not need me. I am completely free and responsible. This thought gives you complete individual freedom, that you are totally free. Forget about your tribe, your people, your family, your society. You are your own world. You have your own reality. You must understand your own reality. You are not the product of others. I can act the way I want. I can feel the way I want. I can live the way I want. People who are not brave. People who are not brave, they need the support of someone. Religion, culture, society, politics give you a lot of support. But in existential psychology, you have no support. Support is gone because you are free, responsible, authentic, true. So, what to do with life? There is confusion, anxiety, disorientation. Life becomes meaningless. That I do not follow any society, culture, family, tribe. So where should I go? Existentialism tells us that the solution is authenticity. No hypocrisy. You must be a genuine, true person. When you realize your potential, you recognize it. Individual is great, unique. Individual can take care of everything. You do not need any other person. But you must be true. If you are true, you are self-sufficient. But if you are not true, you need the support of others. Others can take everything from you, but not your attitude. Einstein, Newton, Jean Paul Sartre, and many other great personalities have credited contemplating mortality with helping them design and realize their life paths.